Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and today is Small Shop Saturday. I am going to be featuring a small yarn shop, but I want to tell you how I found them. So when I was thinking about making a bullet journal that was just for my crochet, I decided that I wanted some stickers. So I started searching in different places for crochet related stickers or yarn stickers, that kind of stuff. And I wasn't really finding anything that I really liked until I started searching on Etsy. A small shop called the Zippy Zebra came up, and it had these really cute stickers, and I loved them, and I couldn't wait to purchase them. So I purchased them, and they came in the mail, and I was so excited. I just love them. I think they're great, and I have been using them in my bullet journal. But then when I went to leave a review, I clicked on more about the Zippy Zebra, and I found some of the most stunning hand-painted yarn I have ever seen. She has one that is based on the painting Starry Night, and it is so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Well, anyway, I was looking at all of them and I could not pick what yarn I wanted. I just knew that I wanted some yarn from her, right? And this shop is run by Krista, okay? And she designed these stickers, and she hand paints these yarns or hand dyes the yarns, and they are stunning. So I asked her if she could make me up a mystery box. So she said sure, and it was weird because I asked her to do a $100 mystery box, and she had one, but it was 4 $25 mystery boxes, and somebody put some in their cart, and I was unable to get one of them, but I ordered the 3 remaining ones, so it was weird. But anyway, I ended up purchasing a $75 mystery box, okay? And she confirmed, hand dyed yarn is going to be much more expensive than anything that you're going to get from a big retail store, okay? So any kind of big box retail store is just going to be able to produce those kinds of things, and they sell at such a huge scale that they don't have to worry about costs like that. But a small shop is going to be different. So she confirmed, okay, so you want 3 skeins of yarn. I was like, yes. and the only thing I told her was that my favorite color is yellow, because I mean, really, mystery boxes do not come with a lot of yellow yarn. So I just wanted to tell her that. She had several yellow yarns, so I thought that might be something that she could throw in, maybe. And this is a box. I haven't opened it. Like, I've opened the box so I can open it easily in this video, but I have not opened it for real. So we are going to open this box. Okay. So it comes with this really nice tissue paper, and she's got this seal with the Zippy Zebra on it, which I think is really cool. I am going to hold it up so you can see it. I just think stuff like that is so cool. Like those little small touches for small businesses. Maybe you guys think I'm weird, but I think that that's so cool. I don't even want to break the seal. It's so pretty. But I'm going to open it here. Oh, look at this. Okay, so these are the 3 skeins. So I have a thank you note. Thanks so much for supporting my shop. I hope you love these mystery skeins. Please let me know when you're doing the unboxing. I'd love to watch, which I absolutely will. And she signed it, Krista. And oh, look, they have their own little Zippy Zebra. They have their own little Zippy Zebra like tags, which, I mean, that's awesome. So I love these colors. Let me take them out of the bag here, and let's see what else we have here. So the box is empty now. So the other thing I got was a Zippy Zebra sticker, which is great. Oh, cool. She has, she's talking about hand-dyed yarn subscription box. I don't know if this is hers or somebody else's, but I will definitely look at that. And then this is, I would imagine, Yeah, this is just my order stuff. And I just want to say, all of my yarn is hand dyed in small batches. This is her speaking, obviously, not me. So Krista from the Zippy Zebra says, all of my yarn is hand dyed in small batches. Color variations should be expected even when dyed together. For best results, alternate between skeins while working to blend the colors and avoid pooling. All right. So, of course, I'm going to go to this one. This is so soft. Oh my gosh. The colorway is sunflower and the fiber content is mulberry silk. We've got 240 yards of worsted weight. And I'm going to just kind of unhank this on here. This is so pretty. Okay, so it's kind of like attached to this, I see. Oh, and she used a little, oh, what are they called? Stitch marker. couldn't think of the word. I'm gonna put these over to the side while I just let you guys admire this. Look at this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? It's so shiny. That's not because there's a whole bunch of light on, bouncing off of it. It's actually just, it feels so good. It feels like a luxury pillow. Like if I was, I don't think I've ever been in a really, really major luxury hotel, but it's what I imagine really rich people must sleep on. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love this. It's so beautiful. This is great. And I even love that there's some browns in there because I personally think that yellow and brown goes together so well. Obviously nature does too because sunflowers have a bit of brown. So I'm going to kind of rehank this as best as I can. I do not do this for a living, but I can at least make it into somewhat of a hank here. And I'm going to put that off to the side. Now let's look at this one. So I really like these kind of autumnal colors. It looks kind of like a sunset. Let's see. Baby Alpaca, our silk. Foxy! Oh, of course! It does look like a fox. Now I can't see anything else in it. Oh, that's cool. It's an Aran weight. Okay, so let me go ahead and see if I can unhank it. Yeah. Just so you guys can see. So we have this. Oh gosh, isn't this pretty? So it's baby alpaca / silk. So it's some kind of alpaca silk blend. Again, it's very soft. It's just a different kind of soft than this is. This almost feels like velvet. It's so soft. This one feels more like, the way I would imagine that a baby blanket should feel. Almost plush. And, I mean, isn't that stunning? My daughter's favorite animal is a fox. So I wonder if she would like me to make something with this. I also think about those cats that look like foxes. I don't know. I can't think of the name of them right now. But there's a cat that has that red fur and a very dark, like black tail and black ears, and it looks really pretty. Anyway, this is gorgeous. Let me hold it up closer to the camera so you can really get a good look at that. Oh, so pretty. Okay. And then we have, okay, so this is baby alpaca. Sorry, I didn't tell you how many yards this was. This is 181 yards, the fox one. What does the fox say, right? And this one's called Summit Sunset. And it's baby alpaca, and it's sock weight, and it's got 429 yards. Look at that. It looks like candy. Okay, so I'm gonna try to unhank this again. I like the way that she puts the tags on her hanks like that. So wow, just look at the color. Look at the colors here. Let me show you. Isn't that pretty? I love this style of coloring. It's like, I like it in small doses. I wouldn't like make a blanket out of something that has this kind of coloring in it. And I don't know how to explain it. It's not like it's hard to explain what I'm trying to say when I say this kind of coloring. It almost looks like a cross between, it reminds me of the 80s, like a cross between like almost tie-dye and almost like a Jackson Pollock. That's gonna sound terrible though. I hope she and you guys know that I mean that in a good way, not in a bad way. It just looks so pretty. Something about it reminds me of the late 80s and early 90s. I just love that. Oh, it's so pretty. I just hope that you guys can see on this camera just how pretty that is. I love this color right here. This is just, I'm really, really happy with my order. I cannot recommend this enough. This is very soft. I mean, it's soft. It feels really, really nice. And I know that if I was to pick this one first to show you guys, I would have been like, oh my gosh, it is so soft. But after going through this one, which is like the most soft, at least to my fingers, it's like almost buttery how soft it is. And then this one, which is soft in a different way, this almost doesn't feel soft, but it's not because it's not. It is very soft. It almost doesn't measure up, but this is still extremely soft. I love this. I would really recommend her shop. I understand that not everybody likes the color yellow, and maybe not everybody likes the color orange either. So do understand that she's got all the colors, and her colors are gorgeous, and they are she's got some that look like they're based on she's got some that are based on foods and some that are based on paintings, and they're just so beautiful. Another one that she has is I believe it's called Galaxy, and it's really pretty too. She's also clearly very talented, and I can tell by her work that she cares a lot about the quality of her yarns. So I mean, I couldn't be happier with this. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this Small Shop Saturday. I will put a link to her shop both in the description and at the top of my pinned comment, okay? And you can check her out. I would definitely recommend her, whether you want stickers or yarn or both. She's got some really great stuff in her shop. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I have a giveaway going on, so make sure you enter that and hit subscribe and the bell so you can be notified if you do win. And just go ahead and leave a comment if you want and tell me what you think about the yarns, what your favorite colorway is that she has there at the Zippy Zebra. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye.